Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. Because this equation equals to number 0, so we just have only complementary solution. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of this one. And we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep about e to the power of lambda s. Later that, we do first the derivative of lambda s, we got lambda. Next, we do second derivative of this one. And we have lambda squared e to the power of lambda s. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. Next, e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. Next, we need to find the solutions of this one. And we have lambda equals to number 2 and lambda equals to negative number 1. And now I will put about y equals to c number 1 e to the power of lambda s. So we need to change lambda into number 2. And we have c number 1. Now we have c number 2. That is about the constant number 2 e to the power of negative number 1 s. So I just write negative s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.